This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. More significantly, a sum of about 12 billion US dollars has come in each of the last 2 fiscal years as direct remittance from Indians abroad. I need hardly emphasize how useful a role these resources have been playing in our economic development efforts. In the last 7 to 8 months since my government took office, we have taken several initiatives aimed at revitalizing economic growth, promoting strong infrastructure development, and bringing about an information technology revolution within the country. Several of these measures are already under implementation. In certain other cases, legislative bills will need to receive parliamentary approval next month. The direction, however, is clear. Economic reforms are here to stay, and if anything, the process is being accelerated. We all appreciate the crucial importance of infrastructure in our development process. Towards this end, we have taken a number of decisions. 1. Plan outlay for the power sector has been significantly stepped up this year. 2. Scope of automatic approval for foreign direct investment in power has been liberalized by placing foreign equity participation up to 100% on the automatic approval route, provided the foreign equity in any such project does not exceed rupees 1500 crore. 3. The procedure for issue of counter guarantee to eligible private power projects has been simplified, and counter guarantees have recently been issued to 3 projects: Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Neyveli in Tamil Nadu, and Bhadravati in Maharashtra. 4. The Electricity Regulatory Commission Act 1998 has been enacted to provide for the establishment of central and state electricity regulatory commissions, rationalizing of electricity traffic, and transparent policies regarding subsidies. The Central Commission has begun functioning. The process of setting up state-level commissions in various states. 5. The Electricity Laws (Amendment) Act 1998 has been enacted to coordinate the operation of the grid system and allow greater flow of resources in the transmission sector. 6. In the petroleum and natural gas sector, government has decided to sign production sharing contracts with private parties for 18 exploration blocks covering an area of over 50,000 square kilometers. 7. Bids will be invited shortly under the new exploration licensing policy, for which the way has been paved with the introduction of a liberalized royalty regime. 8. The government will offer blocks to private and national oil companies for the exploration and exploitation of coal, which is in abundance in India. And 9. The process of pricing reforms in the petroleum sector is being carried forward by initiating the dismantling of administered pricing mechanism in phases from April 1, 1998.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.